couple of years back, we had a Weisenberg machine which we used to sterilize our scopes, our urology scopes for our cystoscopy, ureteroscopy procedures. So after every 7 days, we have to take a water sample, of the machine just to, find out if there are any bugs growing inside the water. So we have to send it to the lab for the testing. So the kit was supplied by the company. Was there 3 or 4 different items were involved to take the water sample. So a very tiny catheter was, it was a very long, like a feeding tube, long catheter. The lumen was so narrow, it was hard to, point out to the water area in the water tub. It was hard to take water from there, so we had to draw in and out again. Catheter wasn't going in properly, so then it was a struggle. In first 2-3 weeks we tried. We didn't get great success in getting the water sample. So then I thought, we have to have all these items sterile items, so why don't we use our suction catheter, which has a like a bigger lumen, and use just 50 ml water syringe, because the catheter as such in the end is same alignment of the bladder syringe. So we just tested it once, let's try it. And as soon we tried first time, it was a successful attempt. With 50 ml syringe, 4 syringes, done the job. 2 minutes, it's done. So that little innovation made a difference to our lives. We don't have to spend, as you say, 10-20 minutes every morning from our time when we were rushing to, start our list. So water test has to be done first thing in the morning. Within 2 minutes, the job is done. Water sample sent to lab. That innovation is still existing. It's a part of our practice now. Every Monday morning, the water sample is taken by our suction catheter and 50 ml bladder syringe. It's part of our routine now. Our existing resources, which we had at the time, were utilized, and they're still there. So we saved kind of 5 a day, at the time, with our little change.